Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2016 through 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This is the left front. There's only one screw right there that you have to take out. And you might need to remove the side view mirror cover. Panel comes out pretty easily. You've got a couple wiring harnesses that unplug, and you've got the cables that go to the handle. It's on a single clip. You just have to move that black clip over a little bit and it just comes right out. Got to take everything out because we're changing the entire regulator, the whole black panel that you see there. Let's see, that was, if I'm not mistaken, a 7mm socket, which I was trying to find right here, but that's what it was. The gears are what strips out on these, and changing the gears is a real challenge. So you end up changing the entire regulator in most cases. Unhook all the wires. You've got that relay on the bottom. I'm not sure what it does, but let's take it off. Push the two rubber guides that the cables are on through. By the way, if this is a beneficial video for you, if this helped you out, do me a favor, like the video, L-I-K-E, just like the video. That will help other people, such as yourselves, find it on YouTube if they're looking. Now, I'm going to bring the glass down. The 10mm bolt on the left comes out. The 10mm bolt on the right, backwards. The 10mm bolt on the right comes out. The 10mm bolt on the left just gets loosened. Also, a little WD-40 on the two up and down channels every 3 or 4 months. It's a good idea. It'll keep everything loose, fluid. 10mm bolts all around. You have to remove the latch and the outside handle. So there's a black cover that hides a 10mm bolt, and you're probably going to need to take that bolt out to get the lock cylinder out. And to do that, I just pushed the plastic tabs down and away from the bolt, and I was able to remove the bolt. And once you do that, pull out the handle, and you should be able to pull out the key cylinder. Got the bolt out, pull the handle back, there's the key cylinder. The handle itself just slides towards you, so slide it towards you, that comes out. And then you've got a 7mm Phillips screw that you can take out that holds the carrier for the handle in place. Then you've got Torx 30 bolts holding the latch in place. Those come out quite easily. And you're removing all of that. The carrier, the latch, the whole thing. Unhook that wire there. Unplug the harness that goes to the latch. We're going to remove that entire assembly. Slides right out. I forgot to take the cables off the carrier, the black plastic carrier that hooks into the handles. So we gotta take those off. Carefully, we don't want to break the carrier. Looks like there was one more retainer that I didn't take off, so we can just throw that away. Don't need it back. Here's the new one. By the way, I didn't show you this, but obviously before you take the whole thing out, make sure the new one's the right one. Hold it up and eyeball it. You don't want to go to the trouble of getting the whole thing apart and find out you have the wrong part. Gonna slide the whole thing in. And I'm just going to put in a couple 10 millimeters to hold it in place while I get the latch put back and the outside handles put back in. Now that plastic carrier goes in and then slides. You'll see a couple tabs at the top of it, at the front of it, the part closest to where I am right now, and those just slide in. And then put that screw back in. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask right here on YouTube. I'll answer them when I have a chance. If you're in Tampa Bay or Minnesota, I can do this for you. Tightening down that 10 millimeter bolt, which is what holds the key cylinder in. And then we're going to put in the 330 Torx bolts that hold the latch in place. Be careful not to strip the bolts. Let's get all the 10 millimeter bolts in. And don't forget the two that are over there by the latch. We're going to put the plastic carrier back onto the cables. Now, before you put the glass back onto the clips, put the motor back on. Otherwise, when you push the glass down, it's just going to slide down. So put the motor on to keep everything in place. And before you put the motor on, make sure that those two 10 millimeter bolts line up with those holes. If they don't, you can physically move them before you put the motor back on. Bring the glass down. I tighten the bolts down. Speaker. And the rest of this, I think you've got under control. So I'll let you watch the rest of this without me narrating. Again, if this was beneficial, do me a favor, go ahead and like the video. That helps me a lot, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great week.